Today we're going to be installing a Dongar Technologies simple USB adapter for the 12-pin plug on the back of your rear view camera. When you put this in, then all you have to do is plug in this little USB cable I got on Amazon to your dash cam, and it eliminates all the messy wires. So this is something you should try out. I'm going to install it and I'm going to show you what it does. Well, I hope you liked that video of me installing that little device to get rid of all the wires on the back of your dash cam and that go down your dash that just are a mess. And yeah, maybe I should have, wired it directly and tucked all the wires away, but I hate doing that sort of thing. So this was a great shortcut, and I will put some links in the description if you're interested. And anyways, I'll see you next time. See ya.